Alright, we're recording. Alright, so I got this clamp for my flashlight, and it's to help with keeping what is their problem? And they're shaking their head as they're beeping. Nobody's coming out yet, so they're gonna beep even more. Well, I got this clamp, and it's mainly used to play around with the flashlight. I also had some other ideas, lesser ideas, but what I do is I put it on, and then I give space for hitting the button, so you can actually have enough space for that. You just put it on. Oh, not like that. You want to align it just right. Yeah, about there. When you tighten it, it moves a little bit, and then you got enough room. I can't put my thumb in there. Well, I kind of can. All right, I kind of can, but I've been relying on my finger, and then I'll attach the Hero 8 to it. Just put it on there, and ain't nothing but oh, why is this not? Look at how hard this thing. Okay, I try to use one hand, and then voila. All right, point it up, and then you got a camera flashlight. I didn't turn this on, and you can just keep the camera pointed wherever you're flashing the light. And I did a little demonstration of that. I'll see how that turns out. But I kind of like it. I'd like to do it for exploring. I wasn't a big fan of having the light go one way and the camera go the next. So this is my solution to that. I got this big flashlight because somebody tried to steal my bicycle at night, and I had nothing as defense. And I pointed the camera at them, but I couldn't pick up their license plate. So this would help. I'd go in, boom, and then hit the camera button. So you got to hit two buttons, boom, boom, and then you're on them. You're on your target. You got to give this camera a couple seconds though. But it's something to play around with for exploring abandoned houses, or just some places that are dark at night, or enclosed areas or something. You can record as you're flashing the light on. So I am literally like the only person parked in this Walmart parking lot in Los Fresnos. Across the street there's this bank that is gutted out. I can't enter the bank, but it's clear. It even says on these drive-in windows that it's left. It's moved. The First National Bank. It's so I can't even read. Alright, so they still have the hours posted, and you can still see inside. Not much is going on. See if that helps. You can still see inside a little bit. No, not like that. There's a pretty nice setup here. Curious why they abandoned it. They spend too much money. You can see the overgrowth. This would normally be, they would normally use landscaping. They'd normally use landscaping along this sidewalk. It's pretty clear. They would landscape this. They used a bicycle lock. And 2 locks. Oh, you can't look in through anywhere here. Doesn't look like it. Yeah, it's all some kind of covering. Alright, and you can see that people dismantled some equipment here, this electrical equipment. I don't know what exactly they got, the motor? It's a simple climb over this little wall. They come in here and steal air conditioning stuff, maybe for the copper. Alright, looking through the window, you can see a little bit of the inside. I'll go down to the far end window, see if there's anything different. Not really. Desks